Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too.
Dude, what the f was
Don't get irritated.
I'm not getting irritated.
I don't want to race right now. Okay, that was it.
I'm not racing, dude. I'm going 0 to 35. I'm not even racing.
I know, but don't speed up anymore, please.
That's funny.
Funny.
Bro, most.
Whoa, bro. Wow, they're actually having a good time with us.
Yeah.
Alright, bro. Calm down. That's it. That's enough. Damn, he's showing us the middle finger. Alright, that's enough. Bro, they're drunk.
I know. See, like.
Alright, this car is stopped.
I know, I'm not.
Yeah, I know you're drunk.
Dude, don't even engage. I'll let him go through. It's okay. They can go.
Oh my god.
Let them. See, they're waiting for us to go.
We're not racing.
No.
Sorry.
Dude, they're drunk as f.
Oh yeah.
Jeez, lady.
God damn you, stupid mother. What the f is wrong with you? Talk about pressure. I don't feel pressure. Come on!
Because I think Walmart has the best headphones, in my opinion. Because everything else probably going to run out or whatever. I just hope these headphones ain't high.
Hold on. This is just stupid. Whoever this is in this Accord, that's just stupid.
I think it's okay if the kid is a little ghetto. Are TFT7278. Just pull up this message.
Price does too. So if you see a lower price somewhere else, we'll match it. Plus, you get free and fast delivery. Shop in store.
God! Oh!
We'll match it. Plus, you get free and fast delivery. Shop in store.
God! Oh! 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 मारिया बच्चिया Dumbass!
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.